Hi friends, welcome to Passive Income. I got some secret to share with you in this video. So please do watch it carefully. The secret may come in any part of this video. In previous videos, we saw difference between saving and investment. Now go little deep on saving, investment and reinvestment. When it comes to saving, everyone agrees it is a good habit to have, but most does not like or afraid about investment. The main reason behind this is we does not have the knowledge of finance. The majority mindset is like don't talk about money in public, even within the family. We does not teach kid how money works. We teach our kids science, mathematics, swimming, and lot other stuff, but not a finance. To teach them, we have to know what it is. So this is the first step. When we make our own coffee and stop buying it in a coffee shop, we have some money left out in our pocket. So most of us decide to put it in saving. For an attempt, try this. Put only half of it in the saving and put the other half in investment. For example, if we save 200 a month, then put 100 in saving and 100 in investing. What happened after a year? We get $1,200 in a year end from our saving. But if we invest it in any fund or in shares, maybe in the real estate investment which pay us monthly dividend, we will get a little more than our saving. If the share is $25 and pays 10 cents per share, we can buy 4 shares of it, and 4 times 10 cents, that's 40 cents per month. Next month, that 40 cents grows 80 cents. Because every month we buying 4 shares of the company. Just forget about the price of the share goes high or low, which determines profit or loss. Let's assume the share price is $25 for the whole year. In the end of the year, we have 48 shares of the company, which cost us the same amount of $1,200. But the magic of 40 cents falling in the basket each month will give the total of 31.20 bucks. So we have 1,231.20 bucks in investment and 1,200 in saving. This is how money work for you. Once you set it, it will work. Keep on working. Now let's see how reinvestment work in the above cases. We can't buy a whole share from the dividend they pay us until the dividend reaches $25. There are some real estate stock which are lower than $2. The name of the stock is the secret, which I already told in the one of my previous video. So go and check it and start your investment. Now I got a question for you. If you find 2 companies pricing $25 a big company and $2 a small company, and they paying dividend of 40 cents and 0.015% per share respectively, please comment that which shares are you willing to buy. I will tell which I will buy and why in the next video. Until then, please do subscribe, keep the notification on and stay tuned. Bye.